How to use alkaline ionized water to fight the coronavirus. Catching infections and getting sick are unfortunate realities of life. Even with the highly advanced medical science, we still have a long way to go. The greatest example in recent times is the COVID-19 outbreak. The disease resists all known treatments thus far. Our greatest defense against any sickness is our own immune system, and health professionals around the world cannot emphasize enough how important it is to build up your immunity. Drinking alkaline ionized water is a comparatively newer trend in the health and wellness world, and it's proving to be advantageous with each passing day. Water becomes alkaline when it has been ionized to increase its pH. The neutral pH is 7. A substance with a pH number higher than 7 is alkaline, while the one with pH lower than 7 will be acidic. Some of the key benefits of alkaline water are ultra-hydrating properties, enhancing gastrointestinal health, protection against chronic diseases, slowing down aging, detoxification, increased bone mineral density, reduced risk of cardiovascular diseases. Remineralization adds alkaline minerals such as calcium and selenium. It filters heavy metals, fluoride, chloramine, and chlorine, provides good-tasting water, and removes odor sediment. Visit our site, pictureoflife.com.